The Artemis rocket, also known as the Space Launch System SLS, is a heavy-lift launch vehicle being developed by NASA to return humans to the Moon and potentially support future missions to Mars. However, some experts argue that the SLS is already obsolete due to the development of SpaceX's Starship, which is a fully reusable spacecraft designed for long-duration spaceflight. One key advantage of Starship over the SLS is its fully reusable design, which means that it can launch and land multiple times, reducing the cost of spaceflight. Additionally, the Starship is designed to be much more versatile than the SLS, with the ability to land on a variety of surfaces, including the Moon and Mars. Another advantage of the Starship is its use of methane and liquid oxygen as propellants, which are cheaper and more readily available than the liquid hydrogen and liquid oxygen used by the SLS. Additionally, the Starship is designed to be much more powerful than the SLS, with the ability to lift over 100 tons to low Earth orbit. However, it's worth noting that the SLS is already under development and has more near-term plans and contracts, while the Starship is yet to have a successful uncrewed test flight. Also, SLS has been developed to meet specific NASA's needs and requirements, which the Starship may not be able to fulfill. Another advantage of the Starship over the SLS is its ability to carry large payloads to deep space destinations, such as Mars. The Starship's large cargo bay and the ability to land on the Martian surface make it an ideal vehicle for delivering payloads and supporting human missions to the Red Planet. The SLS, on the other hand, is primarily designed for use in low Earth orbit and is not optimized for deep space missions. Additionally, the Starship's rapid development timeline also makes it more attractive than the SLS. SpaceX has been working on the Starship for several years and has made significant progress in a relatively short amount of time. The company has already completed several successful test flights of the Starship prototype and is planning to begin crewed test flights in the near future. In contrast, the SLS has been in development for over a decade, and the first launch is not expected until at least 2024. Furthermore, the Starship is also seen as a more sustainable and environmentally friendly option than the SLS. The Starship's reusable design allows for a significant reduction in the amount of waste generated during spaceflight, and its use of methane as a propellant is a cleaner burning fuel than the liquid hydrogen used by the SLS. It's worth noting that the SLS is a government-funded project, which carries a certain political and strategic importance for the U.S. government, which may continue to support its development regardless of the capabilities of the Starship. Furthermore, SLS is designed for a specific set of missions and requirements, and may still be the best option for certain types of payloads or missions, even if the Starship becomes operational. In conclusion, while the SLS is a powerful and capable launch vehicle, the development of the fully reusable, versatile, and cost-effective Starship spacecraft may make it obsolete in the long term. The Starship's ability to carry large payloads to deep space destinations, its rapid development timeline, and its environmentally friendly design make it an attractive alternative to the SLS, but the SLS may still have its place in the future of spaceflight. In summary, while the SLS is a powerful and capable launch vehicle, the development of the fully reusable, versatile, and cost-effective Starship spacecraft may make it obsolete in the long term.